The journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step. Base construction is a chiefly process in civil engineering. Among them, the pier construction is one kind of way which widely being used. The prefab pier construction is basic from being developed quickly in recent years, which includes monkey engine and static engine method. The monkey engine is one kind of old construction technique which makes big noise and brings surrounding bad influence, especially diesel monkey engine, which will bring pollution caused by splashing lamp back. This way of prefab pier construction had been restricted strictly in overseas countries. In the latest decades, laws and rules for tabooing monkey engine being used in in-city construction projects came on in most cities of our country. ZYJ series hydraulic static pier driver, independently created by Sunward, is one kind of ground-based construction equipment with Chinese feature but no pollution. It uses the theory that presses the prefab pier by static engine method, which features no vibration, noiseless, high-efficient energy saving, high piling rate, and excellent piling quality, applying very broad in the city building, and taking high reputation in civil engineering and equipment. Pier pressing is a new type environmental protection basic construction way, applying the static force sinking pier to press the prefabricated pier into ground seal. Seeing is believable. Let's experience the Sunward hydraulic static pier driver's construction processes. Fix pier driver accurate place through calculating and marking the place with line. Agile and convenient footstep type work mechanism that has patent technical makes the pier driver do longitudinal, sidelong, and turnover to ensure correct pier driver placement through operating long and short shaped sideway oil cylinder. Operate joystick in the same direction and at the same time when machine move in vertical direction. Prohibit operate joystick by itself or in reverse. Stop flex to longitudinal motion oil cylinders at the same time. Sunward hydraulic static pier driver is equipped with special lift mechanism. After working stuff on the ground, binding the prefabricated pier well in correct position. Ensure to suspend the pier clamping box vertically and firmly. The operator hand the pier to the top of the pier clamping box and guide it to the box with the help of working staff. When guiding pier to pier clamping box, operating lift mechanism, lower the pier to the proper place from the ground and operate pier clamping joystick to make clamp mouth of the clamping pier oil cylinder driver clamp the piers tightly. Pay attention that the clamp pier oil pressure keep at much lower figures and reduce surface damage caused by excess big clamp pier force in order to ensure pier clamp in tight condition. Position pier by moving pier driver to make sure pier top and middle superposite. Then lay long shaped sideways on ground and lift short shaped slideway off ground. Adjust the lift and drop cylinder and observe if the omnidirectional gradient on the operating panel shows 0. At the same time, observing the pier in uprightness degree by theodolite or eyeballing suspending line. Before piling, operator ensures safety of machine and people. Especially, enough counterweight should be loaded on pier driver and adjust enacting pressure of auxiliary pressure flooding valve. Make sure that machine is not unstable when pressing pier, and make preparation of record. Main press cylinder works. After finishing one stroke, release clamp mouth of the clamping pier and lift clamping pier box. The pier is clipped and pressed by clamping pier box tightly again. Cycle like this. Pay attention to first 1 to 2 stroke and adapt to cylinder press continuity way to assure pier uprightness and judge the geological statics. If necessary, the pier uprightness should not excess of 5%. In case that the filling is deep and made up of brick and block, we can adopt the construction project of lead hole first and then press pier. Press single pier top to the proper place above the ground, and then hand the other single pier connected with it. A set of pier to be inserted into the same location must be completed continuously. The case of taking a break occurs while not finished and complete. If there was a long time break during the process, the pier inserted in ground might have solidifying reaction with the ground earth. When piling process resumed, the pressure of pressing pier was sharply increased. Main and auxiliary press cylinder participate in pile driver at the same time and carry out the construction according to above pile driver process. When the pile was driven to the requested pile driver time of depth, make records. Thus, the pile construction is finished. Move to the next construction site by moving long and short-shaped slide away. Repeat the above process from fixing pile driver place. Sunward pile driver has great advantage exclusive hydraulic system design suitable for construction and low power design. Its core part, multi-point eco pressing patent technology of clamping pile box, had developed a school of its own, which is specially suitable for tube pier to assure evenly force suffered by tube pier and construction quality. Patent technology of side piling and quarter piling equipment achieved minimum area between side piling and quad piling, which solving difficulties met in the condition of static pile construction. In this way, many stable prefabricated pier take root in the ground and hold the lofty tower. ZYJ series pile driver is the non-such innovated originally and continually by Sunward, which is made up of many original innovative technical and includes 1 invention patent and 6 practically patent by manufacturer using and appraised by ministry and province experts. The unanimous conclusion is that Sunward hydraulic pile driver holds advanced design theory, several original creation technology, superiority performance, complete function. It leads international standard and improves the industry technology progress. In 2003, it is awarded the topmost prize in engineering machine industry nation science and technology progress second class and Hunan name brand product. Customers can choose a suitable type according to their practical needs in a range of pressing force from 800 kN to 10,000 kN. There are 30 types and 800 units in total. It occupies 50% market share and keep ahead far away. Until now, Sunward's intellectual pile driver had applied widely in Guangdong, Guangxi, 浙江, Jiangsu, 福建, Tianjin, Shanghai, Yunnan, Heilongjiang, and so on. Products have sold to Hong Kong, Vietnam, and Burma.